Hi, welcome back. I'm Isaiah with Bartendo, and today we're gonna make a bourbon Kentucky Old Fashioned. So, the way we start out with an Old Fashioned is you're gonna build it in a tin or some sort of glass. Now today we're gonna put it in a tin. So you start off with your sugar cube. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, whatever you prefer. For the purposes today, we're gonna use white sugar. Pop that right in there, and then 3 dashes of angostura bitters. 1, 2, 3. 3 dashes, no more, no less. And then, to help the sugar cube dissolve, we're gonna have a little bit of water. So just 1/4 of an ounce of water. Pop that right in there. Take your muddler and lightly muddle the sugar cube into the bitters and the water. Now this is so that all the flavors come together and that the bourbon dissolves into your drink faster. And after that, we're going to add our bourbon. Now we're doing 2 ounces of Bullet Kentucky bourbon. You can use any bourbon that you want for an old fashioned. The more different the bourbon, the more different the flavor. But Bullet is a classic. Now we're gonna add our ice. Now when we're adding our ice, you just wanna do 1 scoop of ice right in there. Take your spoon, and you're gonna stir about 50 times. That should about do it. Now we're going to add ice to our rocks glass, just about halfway about the rocks glass. Put that down. We're going to strain our old fashioned into our rocks glass right there. There we are. Make sure you lift it for the little flourish fun. Do that. We're going to take an orange peel that I've pre-prepared, as well as a lighter, and we're going to burn the orange into the drink. So you just turn the lighter on, and you squeeze it right on top. This lets all the oils come out of the orange peel, as you can see. I'm gonna put right around the rim there. Soak those orange peels in there, really get it in there, and then let it sit. Some people like to add a lemon to their old fashioned. We're gonna do that today. You can do the same thing with the lemon peel. All right, this is to get all those good oils out. We got a little smoke there. Put it around again, add it in there. And this just adds a little bit of citrus, whatever you prefer. There you are, we have our Kentucky Bourbon.